And good morning again, everybody. So we are doing the wiring harness for Bill's 69 Cougar. And it's a little bit of a plug and play system, so we're going to build the connector ourselves. So we should be pretty good, actually. Alrighty, everybody. Back to work before the boss sees me making videos again. Don't get old, everybody. Yeah, readers. And the writing's not that small. So we're double checking. We have it through our grommet. And then we'll double checking again with the page for every wire, just so that we know we're right. And we're getting it taken care of. One pin at a time. Because this is a very, very important part. Now, once I get this done, I can start laying the harness in the car and getting everything taken care of that way so that it will do what it's supposed to do come time to plug everything in. But okay, boys and girls, we'll see you when this mess is done and looks a hell of a lot prettier. Okay, so we're still on this. We had to fix a confusing point. So, see if I can... Okay, so number 5 says light green and black. I have 2 dark green and blacks, but the difference was, because there's the other green and black, one's an 18 gauge, one's a 16 gauge. I'm not used to working with anything that small, so I couldn't tell you the difference. So we had Bobby come in and take a look at it, and he figured out which one was the 16 gauge and which one was the 18 gauge. But the fact that he could work with something that small, and just saying. But all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. And we're done. Got our plastic sheathing in and taken care of. Everything's plugged in like it's supposed to be. Let's get ourselves notched. So we know we have a notch. If you zoom in, see our notch. And here's our notch. There we go. And we'll start getting everything routed and in place. Just kind of hold it up with zip straps for the moment till we get all the clips and stuff for the harness and get them on. But alrighty, we're moving. Excuse me. We're moving along, and we'll get it done. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one.